Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be doing my April favorites. I don't have a lot of stuff that I enjoyed this month, but the few stuff that I did enjoy, I'm going to show you guys. So the first thing is this Colourpop lippy stick, and it's from Karuchi's line. That's her name, Karuchi? Okay, whatever she name. And it is in the color K. And that's what I have on my lip right now. I really love it. It is very easy to put on and it's not drying at all. It's matte but it's not too drying. So that's really nice. I've been enjoying that. The second thing is from Colourpop as well, and it's the Ultra Matte Lippy, and it's in the shade Mars. Really nice. That's what that looks like. Yeah, so pretty. And I'm not really a fan of pinks lately, but this one is really nice. Yeah, so the third thing is this Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless. That's what I have on right now. And I wear coconut, 355 coconut. This is my second time purchasing this, and I kind of stopped using it and then I started using it again and I fell in love with it again. It is the matte and poreless one. It is matte, however I'm not sure about the poreless part because I still have pores stuff on it. So yeah. The next thing I have is this brush, this kind of eyebrow brush with the angled brush on one side and the spray on this side. I got this in the Milani eyebrow pomade thing. It's supposed to be a dupe for the Anastasia Beverly Hills. However, I'm not a fan of the pomade, but I love the brush. The brush. It's so sturdy, and I love the spoolie. Really sturdy. It's a nice brush. Too bad the pomade not nice. Too bad. And the next brush I have is this oval brush that I bought from Amazon. This is like $3.99. I really love it, especially for like under eye area. Really nice. However, I have a problem with cleaning this brush. It is so hard to clean because the bristles are so dense. I mean, it does a good job in blending, but general to clean this is a horror. I love it though. It feels so good. It feels so good. It feels so nice. So good. You guys should definitely pick this up though. I'll leave it in the down bar below. Really nice. So my next favorite for the month is this Naked palette. It was given to me by my friend Danielle, and she has a YouTube channel as well, so I will put it on the screen. So yes, Danielle, thank you for the Naked palette. I love it. I do love it. I've been using it. I use these ones for my tear duct area to make them pop. The next thing that I've been loving is this MAC Fix Plus. It's my first time trying it out, and let me tell you, I am in love. In love. Like, no man understand the real. My friend Yutina introduced me to it, and she raved about this forever, and I never pick it up, but she got me this for my birthday, and I am in love. I am in love. You guys should definitely pick this up to get rid of the powdery looks, so your makeup looks, you know, flawless and skin-like. And my last favorite for this month is a food item. This makes me so happy. I feel like to eat it, you know. I don't want it melt. Anyways, I've been loving these. that's it for my April favorites video. Let me know if you guys like this video, as it is my first favorites video. Yeah, why that sound so. Anyways, it's my first favorites video, so let me know if you like it in the comment section below. And if you guys want to say anything, let me know and I'll wait for you guys. Bye.